Hey guys, today is, what's today? Today's Monster Truck Day. Today I'm heading out to Orlando and we're going to go see the Mitigator monster truck. So hopefully they'll let me crawl inside it. I know they will. I'm going to be filming. It's going to be a lot of fun. So let's see what happens. So I'm here with John Gibson. We're at Monsters on a Mission. And we're going to go in a second, but John's going to give us a little talk about what the hell we're seeing here, right? Okay, so how's it going, John?
It's going fantastic.
So what do you think? What's this is not your kind of racing, though.
No, it's definitely not. This is extreme.
I know, those tires are almost as big as you are.
I mean, I'm not a tall person by any means, but I'm 5'8", 5'9", and
that tire's
a few inches shorter.
Yeah, that tire's at least 5'4" or so.
Yeah, exactly.
Now that's a tire.
Everybody always wants to know, how do you get the tires on the truck? Or how do you get them out? So, what do you get to see now? You throw them. And you catch them, they're like giant basketballs.
Well, I don't know about...
This thing weighs about 750 pounds.
Really?
And it's just like a giant basketball. But you gotta stay out, because if it does hit you, it'll squash you.
You just gonna let it roll out in the street?
No, that's what I'm here for. Hopefully it'll stop. The other side.
Okay. So we're actually getting into the monster truck.
Okay. You use that ladder.
Use that ladder.
No, you don't. You wouldn't use the ladder. you climb up.
Hey, I don't know. I'll do
Like this?
You tell me the ladder and jump in through the window, I'll be doing it.
Put your hand here. Put your foot on this skid stuff. You just climb it. There's actually holes to climb it.
Okay.
And then you climb up in the seat.
All right, I'm going to make an attempt to get into this thing. I'm sure I'll get caught with this. Holy crap. Wow.
You can?
See, I think the problem's going to come at his feet there. Oh. Oh, and he's in.
I actually made it. Wow. This is awesome. Where are the keys?
Yeah. I'm putting my earplugs back in if you're starting it.
I wouldn't stand in front of it.
This is incredible. The view from a monster truck seat. Little ants below. Well, look at this. And what's the name of this truck?
Nail it.
Nail it.
Nail it?
When in doubt, nail it.
When in doubt, nail it. Okay. Rick is getting ready to start it up, and I have earplugs in. So we'll see how this works out. And we'll pray that it stays in neutral. That's why I step back. Now that's a truck.
I wanted you to get the full paint effect, but at least you had earplugs.
I got the full nozzle effect.
Yeah.
That
You
thing-
can feel that thing when you
Yeah,
slam the gas.
it was like blowing off my chest.
And that wasn't even a quarter throttle.
Wow.
That was just breathing
You
on
can
it.
feel it.
I'm finally back. What an awesome day. Did you see that? Did you see that? That was cool. So, till tomorrow. See you, bye.